The Abia State government, under the dynamic leadership of Governor Okezie Ikpeazu, is unarguably making positive and gigantic efforts to support SMEs to achieve accelerated sustainable growth through converting the state's comparative advantages to competitive advantages. It is proudly championing the Made in Aba slogan. All the previous negative inferences associated with Aba goods are gradually being erased. Governor Okezie Ikpeazu has so far organized showcase events in key cities around the globe, promoting Aba-made products. Sadly, automation has remained the bane of the Made in Aba driver.
We had problem about automation because I started marketing until we got order for 50,000 pairs of shoes. At 10,000, that's 500 million into area. They asked me when is the order going to be ready, and I couldn't answer because I needed to depend on people using scissors to cut leather. At times, you see the impact of that leather on our fingers completely deformed because we've been cutting with our gloves and tools. And we had to warm the leather on a hurricane stove. I said, oh no, this is not good enough. Then I couldn't speak to consistency. So I needed to cut off the human element as much as possible. So I said, we're going to automate. But before you automate, you must do capacity building. So I prepared 30 young people and took them to China.
When we got to China, we had a lot of experiences. I was able to learn how to use the automated machines to produce shoes.
The difference in making shoes in Aba and China is that here in Aba, we use our hands called manual production. We use our hands to last, and all that. We use our hands to apply the gum. But why in Chengdu, China? We have the cutting machine, we have the front and back lasting machine, we have the sealing machine, we have the nailing machine, we have the machine that is responsible for applying gums, and we have machines that is responsible for mixing the chemicals that we use here.
My trip to China is actually a dream come true. God used the governor to bring this dream to a reality for me.
The experiences, if I start implementing them here, I can compete with Gucci.
Now I can sketch and I can guide people that are producing shoes, and it's really helping me. So I'm going to use that to eat, and I'm going to empower others.
The shoes that I designed so far, I can boast of it that it can compete internationally wherever I go.
Our governor empowered us, so we are back. We want to empower others. So it was a wonderful experience.
3 of them actually gave me a break after the first week. They were so proficient on the machines, shoemaking machines, that they took away the jobs the Chinese were doing. So when they returned to Nigeria, I imported the same machines that they tried their hands on in China. And that is what gave birth to the Enyimba Automated Shoe Company, Enasco.
The Enyimba Automated Shoe Company, Enasco, is the first of its kind automated shoe factory, indigenous to the Nigerian people and market. It is positioned to become the fastest growing shoe manufacturing company in Africa, with the prospects of export to international markets. With a capacity to produce 2 million pairs of shoes annually, the Enyimba Automated Shoe Company project, conceived by the Okezie Ikpeazu administration, was formally commissioned by the Senate President, Dr. Ahmad Lawan.
This project, Enasco, is one project that anyone who sees or hears about will tell you there's mastery of vision here. This place will now be the center of automated shoemaking in West Africa, definitely beyond Nigeria. Abia State is lucky to have Dr. Okezie Victor Ikpeazu as governor.
So Enasco is doing shoes for Nigerian Railway, for Nigerian Railway, doing shoes for Nigeria Police, Army, and NYSC, and all of that. I think NYSC has asked them to open a new canvas line.
The whole idea is to automate the process of shoemaking. We want to encourage people to come in and produce. You don't have to travel. You don't have to go to China or another place. We want to believe in our own because we have what it takes in Aba. So he's putting Aba in the global space so that people can really know that, look, we have this here and we are proud. We are 100% proud of what we do here.
So the quality of shoes, the consistency and finishing of shoes coming from Aba today is no longer what it used to be in 2014. We have scaled up, we have moved up, we can speak to volume, we can speak to speed, we can speak to consistency.
The quality of equipment and machines assembled in the company's factory is the industry's best in terms of quality and international standards, making it a strong force in guaranteeing standard products from Nigeria to the world. Project 002, the Enyimba Automated Shoe Company, ENASCO.